This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Zen is installed and updated on your console. You want the latest compatibility fixes. Plug the keyboard and mouse into the console or a powered hub and pair Bluetooth devices if used. Once connected, open Zen and select the Rust profile. This maps inputs to controller buttons. Calibrate basic sensitivity settings now so movement feels natural. This prevents huge adjustments later and gives you a reliable baseline to build on. Next, you refine mappings to behave like a controller. Map WAS to the left stick and translate mouse X/Y to the right stick with a small smoothing buffer so aim isn't jittery. Assign keys for interact, jump, sprint, and quick item slots to match controller ergonomics. Once done, tweak DPI and in-game field of view to reduce aim disparity. Make sure to test recoil compensation and set a manageable smoothing between 0, 5, and 1. 5 so you retain precision without losing responsiveness. Finish by saving the Zen profile and exporting a backup so you can restore settings quickly. Load into a low-stakes server or offline area and practice shooting, building, and looting to confirm bindings feel intuitive. If something feels off, iterate sensitivity in small increments and reassign awkward keys. If inputs lag or drop, check USB power, update device firmware, and disable overlays or other input software that might conflict. This usually resolves most connection and responsiveness issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.